I'm James Nelson with the Cupcakeries here in Texas. We're down here at our Uptown location, like the Woodlands location or the location in Fort Worth that's soon to open. We have wines and champagnes to go with the cupcakes. It brings in a different group of people, a lot of young ladies, young men who want to have a date, a quick date. It's especially for a first date. We have a lot of first date people who come in here. They don't want to go to a movie or to dinner with someone. They just want to come in, spend an hour, have a quick date, figure out if it's right, and not drop a lot of money. So I bring in all these different wines and champagnes to pair with the cupcakes. We, for instance, have a Moscato by Saint Supreme, which is very nice. It pairs best with the raspberry champagne, the Julius, or even the vanilla cupcake. If you'll notice, the icing is pink, but that's the kind of the look of the store, so we make all our vanilla icings pink here. Then we have Caramel Road Pinot Noir here, which is better with the lighter chocolate cakes. A couple of the instances would be the chocolate peanut butter cake, the red velvet, and we also have a German chocolate cake that is fantastic with. We then bring in these two Meritage. Some people think that a Cabernet is best with chocolate. I think the Meritage is the best because it actually is a blended wine. It has a little more body, and it goes better with the different flavors of the frostings, I think, that we put on the chocolate. If it was just pure chocolate, yes, a Cabernet would be great, but I think the blended wine, it's the American answer to a Bordeaux, goes a little bit better with the flavored frostings. So we do this with the heavier cakes like the chocolate mocha, the chocolate passion, which is chocolate, and then we have these little spumantis, which I've brought in for the summer. They're very light and floral and fruity, and they go really well with the fruit flavored cakes like the lemon and the strawberry or even the vanilla again. But then there's a little kind of a sneaker in here, and this is this raspberry spumanti. And the raspberry spumanti I brought in, it not only goes great with the fruit flavored cakes, but it is fantastic with the chocolate cakes as well. So this is just something that we do here at the Cupcakery. It's a little bit different from anybody else, but it works out well for us. Well, I put a paper down. We have like a little wine list pairing thing. It's under the glass tops on the tables. I ask the girls and guys that work behind the counter, when people are interested in the wines, to give them a copy. They can look at it, decide what kind of wine they like, maybe make a suggestion on a cupcake to go with it. And it certainly does help in sales having it. I don't want to have tabletops out. As you can see, the store gets a little busy, but these things, they do promote business. Now, on Saturday evenings, Saturdays are kind of an odd day for us. I think it's at this location because of the fact so many of the people are here going to events like an American Airlines Center or something. So we either have a really, really busy Saturday night, or maybe at 7 o'clock it'll really slow down. And I don't want to end up with a lot of extra product at the end of the night. So what I've done is I've created the Cupcake and Champagne Happy Hour. And they can come in and buy any alcoholic beverage at regular price and get a cupcake for $1.50, which is a deal. You can come in, have 2 glasses of champagne and 2 cupcakes for $20, and it is a cheap date. It's something fun to do. It kind of came about when the economy started to tank, because I thought, you know, my nephew was out of a job and his girlfriend was wanting to do things, and I says, you need to go somewhere you can just spend $20, and you can't even go to a movie for $20.